Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Fikri Adin bin Mama Arif. My student ID is 24005626. Today I will be showing you a few knotting techniques, and let's get right into it.
Today we will be doing 8 types of knotting techniques. The first knotting technique that we'll be doing is the reef or square knot. Then we'll be doing the single sheet bend, and after that is the double sheet bend. Next we'll be doing the single bowline, and after that we'll be doing the two-turn bowline. After that we'll be doing the clove hitch knot, and for the last two knots we'll be doing the figure of 8 and also the figure of 8 loop. However, we will do the figure of 8 loop using two different techniques, which I will show you after this. Thank you. So first of all, we will be doing the reef or square knot. First, we make a cross using both the ropes, and then we use the red rope to circle the blue rope. Then we make another cross and use the blue rope to go through the hole. Now we have it, the reef or square knot. Next we'll be doing the single sheet bend. So first of all we need a loop and a rope. So now here we have a blue loop and a red rope. So first of all we put the red rope into the blue loop, and then we create a loop around the blue loop, and then we use the red rope to go under the other red rope but also above the blue loop, and then here we have it, the double sheet bend knot. Okay, next we'll be doing the single bowline knot. Okay, first of all we create a loop using the rope, and then we use the rope to go through the loop we just made. Okay, then we use the rope to go back into the loop we made just now. So there it is, we got the single bowline. Alright, next we'll do the two-turn bowline, or also known as the double bowline. Okay, just as the name suggests, the first step we do is to make two loops, and then we use one end of the rope to go through the two loops we just made and go around the other end of the rope, and then we go right back into the two loops we just made, and then after that all we need to do is to tighten the knot we just made, and here we go, we finally have the two-turn bowline. Alright, next we have the clove hitch knot. Alright, so for the first step, we create a loop around a steel beam, and then we create an X using the rope and use one end of the rope to go under like the upper part of the X on the rope, and then we can tighten the knot, and there we have it, the clove hitch knot. So next we'll be doing the figure of 8. So first of all we create one loop and then create another one until it shapes like an 8, like the video, and then we put the rope into the first loop and tighten the knot. So here we have it, the figure of 8. Alright, now we'll be doing the figure of 8 loop. This is the first technique. So first of all, instead of using like one single rope, we need to stack it together like in the picture here. Okay, then the steps are the same. First we need to make like an 8 shape using the rope that we had. So yeah, just like that. Okay, and then we go right into the first loop we made, and there you have it, the figure of 8 loop. Now for the second technique, we will go from a normal figure of 8 to a figure of 8 loop. Alright, so first here is the normal figure of 8. Now the first step is we loosen up a bit the normal figure of 8, and then all we need to do is follow along the line that we just made. So yeah, just like that, we go along the figure of 8 that we have already made. So yeah, we just follow it just like that, and then we go through the loop over there, and there you have it. So it might look a bit like untidy here, so I will need to first like tidy it up a bit, so that we can actually tighten up. And there we tighten up the knot, so we got it, the figure of 8 loop from the normal single figure of 8.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope that this video can help you gain all the knowledge about knotting and help you tackle any problems and adversaries in the future.